In this video, I will show you how to change the screen size of your Sony TV to full screen. So if for some reasons you're watching any video on your Sony TV and you find out that the video or movie or content you're watching on your Sony TV is not on full screen mode, or you notice that there is actually some borders around the TV and you actually just want the content you're watching to fill up the screen of your Sony TV, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. Now, first things first, over here I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type of Sony TV you have, whether you have the Sony Bravia Android TV or the old Sony Bravia TV. Following similar steps, you should be able to change the screen size of any Sony TV you have to full screen. Now, there are basically two ways to go about it. The first option is to simply just scroll over to the settings of your Sony TV over here. Go ahead and open up the settings of any Sony TV you have. Usually the settings icon is at the top of the TV, and then you just want to scroll down from over here to the display and sound settings over here. Go ahead and click on it. Now scroll down to where you have screen option over here. And then from here, you can literally see the wide mode. So you can go ahead and select this option and then choose the screen size you want for your Sony TV. You can literally see the screen size of the TV is now adjusting. So I have just chosen the wide zoom. And then here you have the auto. But then if you want it to just fill up the screen, what you want to go ahead and choose is the full. So basically it fills up the screen of your Sony TV. Now, if the screen size mode of your Sony TV is actually grayed out such that you cannot make changes to the screen size of your Sony TV, then what you have to note is that you can only adjust the screen size for HDMI input sources that are connected to the TV. So basically, I currently have a device connected to HDMI 4, as you can see at the top of the TV, and that is why I can make changes to the wide mode or screen size of the TV. So you want to go ahead and connect your device to the TV, and then you can now go ahead and adjust the screen size of the TV. Another way to adjust or change the screen size of your Sony TV to full screen is to simply just go over to the input source where your content, video or device like a gaming device is connected to on the TV. In this case, I have a TV stick that is connected to HDMI 4 of my Sony Bravia TV over here, as you can see at the bottom. So you want to go ahead and select that particular input source on your TV. Now, once the input source opens up, what you just want to do is to go ahead and press on the menu button on your remote control to bring out this bottom menu over here. And then from here, what you just want to do is to go ahead and locate the wide mode, which automatically allows you to adjust the screen size of the TV. As you can see, the screen size is now changing. So to make it full screen, you just want to go ahead and select full, and automatically you will no longer see the black borders around the TV, and you're going to be watching your content or your video or whatever you're doing on your Sony TV in full screen. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.